Wow, what a cute rainbow corn. I might just take it in my room and open it. I don't think it belongs to anybody, so I'm just gonna take it real quick. Hey, Mirabel. Oh, hi, Isabella. Hey, do you want to play? Oh, this is so cute. Do you want to play? Sure. What do you want to play? I don't know. Do you want to play hide and seek? Oh, hide and seek. Yeah, sounds like a great idea. Is this yours? No, it's not. Can I take it? Yeah, you can take it. But do you want to play hide and seek first? Yeah, what's this rush for playing hide and seek? I don't know. I just want to play. I just did my homework and I'm in such a great mood, so I just want to play. Sure. Do you want to hide or do you want to seek? I'm going to hide. Okay, I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. I think I know where she hides. She hides behind this tree. Hey, Isabella. Oh no, she's not here. Where could she be? Hey, Mom. Yes. Hi, honey. Did you see Isabella? No, I haven't. I'm getting ready to make dinner. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna go upstairs. I think she's upstairs. I think she is in Antonia's room. Come out of here, Isabella. Oh, no, she's not. Oh, I think she's in her room. Oh, yes, in her room. Oh, come out of here. Oh, no, she's not. Nobody's in there. This is a pickle. Where could she be? Oh, why can't I find her? I'm just gonna go down the slide. Oh, I wonder who put these here. What are they? Wow, guys, these are Disney Doorables Academy. Wow, and look at this. This is me right here. That's me. How awesome is that? What are we waiting for? Let's unbox them. Oh, say what? Oh, Isabella. You know what? She'll come out. I don't know where she went, but she'll come out when she sees these amazing Doorables. So let's unbox the tiny one first, guys. And this one comes with a locker with an Academy figure and accessories. So let's see. What do we have? It would be amazing if we had Mirabel, wouldn't it? Or another character, whichever you like. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this beautiful locker. That's so cute. So we have something in the bag. Probably something to help us open the locker. Yes. So it looks like we have a lock and it's a beautiful flower. So now it's gonna help us open our locker. Oh, maybe this way. Awesome. Let's see, we have some stickers so we can decorate the locker. And we got some blind bags. So let's see, we have 43 and 45. Okay, guys, let's open 43 first. And we have Elsa. She is so cute. I love her hair. Let's see what else do we have in this one. See, I think we have Olaf. We have a table so she can sit and do her homework. We have a tissue box. And we have a nice book. Oh, how nice. Elsa, you have so many great things. So let's decorate her locker. Here's Olaf. I'm going to put him right outside the door because he's too cute. And I want to see him. Excellent. And now we're just going to put, there is a D. We're going to put this right here. And what else we have? So we have some snowflakes. How cute is this? Awesome. And whoa, there we are. And then we're gonna put our Doorables. Yay! Let's put it up here. All right, guys, so now let's put all the stuff inside her locker. How cute is this? We're gonna put the book up here and the tissues. We're gonna put Olaf right here and we're gonna put her right here. And we're just gonna close our locker and lock it and we're gonna play with it later. let's unbox our big Doorables Academy. There are 45 to collect, and they're from all Disney movies. Oh, so I'm so excited. So we're gonna open it right here. Alright, now we're ready to see what we have. We have 6 characters. So let's start with the ones on top. Let's see who we have. Oh, we have Professor Drake from Minnie and Mickey Mouse. So cute. Hello, Professor. Alright, I'm gonna put you right here. Let's see in the next one. Who do we have in this one? Oh, I wonder. We have Dale from Mickey and Minnie. How cute. He's so adorable. Alright, guys, let's see who else we have. Wow, so cute. It would be nice if we get a princess. Oh, there she is. There is Cinderella. And I think she's coming with something else. There is something inside there. Let's see. What is this? Oh, okay. This is the list of all the other characters that we can get. How cute is that, guys? Let's see over here. Who do we have? Who do we have? Looks like we have Susie, guys. Oh, she's so cute. Tiny little mouse. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. It took me a second to see who this guy is, but I can tell by his shoes and his guitar. Do you guys know who he is? Yes, he's Kristoff. So cute. And let's see our last surprise from this box. Who could it be? Maybe another princess. Oh, look. Wow, this is Goofy, guys. It took me a second, but I recognize him by his big teeth. Oh, so cute. Wow, how cute. I can't wait to play with all of them. They're so adorable. And I love this locker. Well, let's unbox this one and get more friends because I can't wait to play with them. How many figures? 5, 6, 7. In the other one we got, do you remember? Yeah, we got 6. Let's see how many we'll get in this one. Alright, guys, let's unbox this one too. So we'll start from here and we go down, and again, whee! And one more time, whee! Excellent. And let's open our box. Let's see, how many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! We got 7, guys. Let's open our first one and let's see who we have. I know who this is. Do you guys know? It's a red panda. Yes, it's Panda May. Oh, from Turning Red. So cute. Excellent. Let's see the next one. Let's see, who do we have here? Okay, guys. Oh, who's this one? We have the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. And look at this, is learning the ABCs upside down. How cute is that? Let's see our next one. What do we have? I think this is Angel. How adorable. She's so cute. Let's see our next character. Oh, this is so cute. You guys know who this is? This is Hui from Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. And let's see another one up here on the bottom. Who do we have? This is a cute dinosaur monster. This is Partysaurus Rex. So adorable. And let's see, I think we have 2 more characters. Oh, this is Belle. She's so adorable. Oh, hello, Belle. Okay, let's see our last surprise. I hope so, because I'm tired of staying here in this tree. Let's see, what do we have? We have a baby! What a cute little baby! Do you guys know who mustache. Oh, what a cute little baby. Adorable. All right, guys. Now let's put them all together and play with them. Wow, guys, look at all these characters. I think I'm gonna play Guess Who because I don't know all these characters. So I need to get my sister. I wonder where she is. I forgot to look for her. I'm in trouble now. Isabela, where are you? Oh, I'm right here on top. I thought you'll never look for me. Ah, how did you get up there? Well, I'm good at hiding and you're not good at seeking. I'm so sorry. I always forget to seek. So sorry. Do you want to play a game? Guess who? Yes. Do you want to guess this character? He's cute and adorable. I don't know who that is. It's Kristoff. Oh, you win again. Okay, let's see this character. Do you know this one? Yes, I do. Who's that? That's May. That's a red panda, right? Yes, it is. You're so good. Hey, guys, if you know all the character, if you know all their names, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And we'll see you guys next time with another game of hide and seek. Not happening. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.